Retirement Rescue: How to Defuse the Ticking Tax Bomb and Debts that are Threatening Your Retirement. Did you know that most of the people these days are worried about two things that are threatening their retirement? Number one is debts, and number two is taxes. Yes, that's true. Most of us do not realize that out of $100 that we make, we give as much as 60 to 70% back for paying the interest on the money that we borrowed and also for paying the taxes. Now, you do the math. If you made $100 and are allowed only to use $30 out of it, what does it leave you at the end of the month? And then there is a bigger problem than that. If you look at the history of this country right now, we're paying very low amount of taxes. That is good news. But the bad news is that it's not going to be like this forever. It's going to change, especially after this $4 trillion that the federal government gave away to people and businesses to rescue them from the coronavirus web. Chances of paying higher taxes down the road are even more acute, because the government cannot run without the money, and majority of this money is coming from the taxes that they can collect. And it's very simple equation: more deficit equals more taxes. The point I'm trying to make is we are sitting right now on a ticking tax bomb which could jeopardize our retirement big time. Hi, I'm Sunny Mitra, founder of Bright Horizon Wealth. We teach entrepreneurs and go-getters like you how to own their financial future with the concept of infinite banking. If you are new here, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so that you are notified when we upload new videos. So, what is the easiest, safest, and fastest way to create a shield around your financial portfolio and start preparing for your financial freedom right now? How can you enable yourself to do whatever you want to do, whenever you want to do, and however you want to do? How can you be able to not letting the alarm clock dictate your morning hours? Instead, you can get up without an alarm going on. In bigger term, there is a way that you can do that only if you take care of these three things first: taxes, debts, and passive income. And so, you might ask, Sunny, how can I do that and when can I do that so that just by doing so it will cover all these three pressing problems, namely debts, taxes, and passive income? And the answer to that is by following the infinite banking concept. Let me go one by one explaining to you that how just by getting a whole life insurance policy you can take care of these three things simultaneously. Number one is taxes. If you buy a whole life cash value insurance policy, in your retirement years you can start taking money out of it tax free, because the money that you will be taking out of here will be shown as a loan and nobody charges you taxes on the loan. It is a little loophole in our taxes that rich people always use in their benefit. My question for you is, why don't you? Point number two is debts. Another big culprit which eats up our hard-earned money month after month, year after year, is the amount of interest that we are paying to our lenders. Yes, I've seen families which pays anywhere between $1,200 to $2,000 a month just in interest on the principal that they have borrowed from banks. And again, right there, the best solution is to become your own banker and recapture all that principal and interest by reinvesting the money in your own family bank, which is your life insurance policy. Remember the story I told you about the family who opened a $10,000 life insurance policy in the first year, turned around the next month, took out $6,000 from there and paid off that Amazon credit card which was charging them 29% interest. Then they started paying back into their own policy along with the principal and interest at the rate of 5% only. Right there they saved 24%. No brainer, huh? And point number three is passive income. Once you start saving a little bit every month and funding into your family bank, pretty soon you will see a big change in your life. It will pave the way for you to create a perpetual source of passive income down the road. So what we definitely recommend that you do is click on the link below to check on our masterclass, because we teach you how money works and how to design your lifestyle so that you can become your own source of financing. Money is just a tool for you to design your lifestyle. That's why we always talk about owning your own lifestyle, because you have to put this tool to work for you. What people are doing is they are utilizing this tool to create passive income, which is a third point just we are talking about right now. Yeah, and the passive income is about what are you doing with the extra money that you have every single month. One thing you can do immediately after finishing this video today is write down one thing as to what is the biggest financial challenge that you are facing in your life right now at this point. Go post it in the comment section of this video, and I promise you I'll get back to you with an answer soon. That's why we are here for you on the Bright Horizon Wealth channel, is to continue to educate you about how to go about either one, creating passive income, or to becoming your own source of financing and controlling the banking function in your life by eliminating the problem of debt and taxes. So again, if this is something that interests you, then definitely click on the link below to check out our masterclass and educate yourself. And if you like this video, make sure you like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to own your tomorrow by converting liabilities into assets.